Carolyn Schluck, and I had Guillain-Barre in the summer of 2003. When I came here in November, I had just purchased a rollator so that I was having trouble walking, and I had been falling a great deal, and I had bruises. I had a burn on my right thigh where I'd fallen against an oil heater, and I needed the rollator because I didn't have much strength, and I got very fatigued, and I needed a chance to sit down after I had walked a block or two. And things are very different now. I am back to where I feel as well as I did before I had Guillain-Barre. My posture is good again. I can stand up straight without thinking about it. I stride along. I don't need support. I put away my handicap parking permit. I put away the rollator. In fact, I've even run. So I think it's almost miraculous. And besides that, I now know what to do when I get out of balance so that I can correct myself. So I feel wonderful about this.
For how long have you started physical therapy?
This time around it was a month, I think.
Now today is your last day, and how much better are you?
I think 100%.